Well, thanks everyone for joining us today. We're going to be talking a little bit about Grantek and our capabilities, and we're going to focus on Opto 22 and our partnership with Opto 22. So let's get right into it. Grantek is a system integrator and a business solution provider with over 40 years of experience in the CPG, pharma, and food and bev sectors. We offer a comprehensive suite of solutions all the way from the plant floor to the boardroom. So that's everything from level 0 to level 4 that's connecting to your ERP and all the MES components in between. Most system integrators in North America today are under 10 engineers. But at Grantek, we have about 210 employees, 180 engineers, and because of the size, we're able to provide a different level of partnership for you. We have the ability to work across North America and in many other countries. We've worked in Europe and Asia as well. And we work on a multitude of different technologies. We can work across multiple languages, and we can provide leadership on legacy technologies and systems. I wanted to take a moment to share with you some of our guiding principles and our values so that you can get a better understanding of who we are as a company. For over 40 years, our mission has been to envision solutions to advance manufacturing and to deliver those solutions successfully. We have developed game-changing solutions and provided industry leadership across several verticals, including CPG, pharma, and food and beverage. So one of the things that I wanted to focus on was around our commitment to our customers. In 40 years, we have never left a customer job unfinished. We have your back. We cooperate and collaborate and share our knowledge with both our customers and partners. We're more than just coworkers. We bring a positive attitude towards our job and our work, and we lead by example. And we're in it for the long game. We're really in it so that we're not in it for the quick wins. We're always there to do the right thing and make sure that we have a long relationship with your organization. These are the principles that have helped us be around for 40 years and have built strong ongoing relationships with both our customers and our partners. So just to give you a little bit of a background about Grantek and about where our offices are and how we grew. So in 1980, our first office was established in Toronto. Basically in 2002, Kraft Foods asked us to work on a project out in Montreal. So we opened an office in Montreal and had a few engineers there working on that project. And when Kraft opened a facility near Allentown, we opened our Allentown office, and that's how we grew. Today, we have over 210 employees, and we have offices across North America and India, and we've grown organically with our customers. That's the highlight of this. Here are some of the locations. Geographically, we're spread across the East Coast, Midwest, and the West Coast. Our brick and mortar offices are in Toronto, Montreal, Cleveland, Philadelphia, Fort Lauderdale, and Chicago on the eastern and midwestern side. And then we have an office in LA and one in Vancouver. And we also opened a new office in India to support some of the projects which were derived from North American projects in India. So that's in Bangalore. Just to talk to you about a little bit about some of our capabilities. As I said before, Grantek can do everything on the plant floor to the boardroom. What does that really mean? That means everything from controls and automation, machine safeguarding, packaging, validation systems, verification and compliance, batching, process automation, MES integration. So anything that you can think of on the plant floor, we can support you, your organization with. Another thing that we can do is OEM coordination and supplier coordination. And one of the key things that we're able to do is to take a program that, let's say in your corporate headquarters, you want to do a machine safety program. where you want to evaluate how safe your palletizers are across multiple sites. We can take that and then we can implement it across multiple plants. So do risk assessments, figure out where the what remediation needs to be done, and put a plan together and execute on that across multiple sites, and then bring that feedback back to your organization. So running that programmatic level projects has been a thing that we've been doing for the last I want to say about 10 years, and we've seen quite a bit of success and around that. So that's something that Grantek can help you with as well. So this gives you a very high level overview of everything that Grantek can do. And I wanted to take a moment to talk about the Groovrio and our partnership with Opto. Our partnership with Opto has been very successful. We have found that the Groovrio specifically has been useful in some of the projects that we have come across. And I wanted to talk a little bit about some of the example applications that we've used it in. So for example, we have a system where we built a BAS system for pharma companies. And that solution is FDA and EMA audited and compliant. And for that, we're using the Groovrio. It provides a excellent solution for monitoring remote or distributed assets, for environmental monitoring, because you can use a wide variety of inputs, and one module does absolutely everything that we needed to do. So I think this is a great solution for us, and we look forward to continuing our partnership with Opto and a very successful next few years. Thank you.